It's Tie-Dye Tuesday. In this week's episode, we'll learn how to make the magic eye design. Take a shirt that's been soaked in soda ash, spun out in a washing machine, and hang dried. The shirt should be bone dry. Smooth your shirt out and begin to make large vertically oriented pleats or accordion folds. It may be helpful for you to draw a straight line from sleeve to sleeve. Once you've made it from one side of the shirt to the other, bind with sinew. You can bind in a straight line or diagonally, be random, and have fun with it. After the initial bind, you can fold the layers, split the layers, just go with the way the shirt is folding or whatever. Again, be random and have fun with it. The next step is to apply dye powder to the completely tied up shirt. I practice a philosophy of randomness when I tie-dye, but this design in particular works extremely well with this philosophy. So when you apply the dye powder, don't be afraid to just sprinkle it on. We'll use 7 colors for this video, the 6 colors of the rainbow and black. Black powder will come later. Just be sure to cover all of the exposed surfaces with the initial 6 colors of the rainbow. Add ample quantities of ice to the powdered piece. After adding ice, sprinkle about a tablespoon's worth of your black dye powder randomly over the ice. This will add different tints and a little bit of the third dimension. Let the ice melt completely. Check the bottom of the shirt to make sure the dye is penetrated all the way through. If not, add more ice until it's melted all the way through. Once the ice has melted, let the piece sit for a few days. The rule of thumb for curing is 24 hours of cure time and 70 degrees, but since this piece has been loaded up with ice, we need to let the piece raise in temperature, so be patient. After letting the piece sit, use a glove or bag to test the temperature by feel. If it's still chilly, let it sit another day. If it feels close to room temperature, it's good to open up. Throw your piece into a washing machine for 2 cold cycles and 1 hot cycle, then hang dry. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you're looking for more of a challenge, check out this video. Be sure to visit dirtyhippielaundry.com for all of your tie-dye needs. Thanks again. See y'all next week.